Is he good? Oh yeah, we're getting. Oh, the toolbox is moving. The battery box today, because he's got to head out. But we're gonna at least get some B-roll of this thing moving and shaking. Oh, there we go. Let's see how high it can get off the ground. Obviously not right here. Oh, plug those ears, guys. It's about to get loud as. Oh, that's air, baby. Look at the smile. Look at the smile on this guy's face. Look at the smile. Yeah. Dragging, bro. Oh my God. I wasn't ready for that one, Dan. You got me. Got me good. All right, Dan. You guys sick. Look at this thing. So make sure y'all like and subscribe. Oh, he's about to do it again. Dang, I had to plug my ears, guys. I'm fucking up my hearing. Is he good? Oh yeah, we're getting. Oh, the toolbox is moving. The battery box. Shaking, shaking. Woo. All right, then. That was pretty cool. Not really.